Welcome back to Handmade Creations by Lynn. This is Lynn doing my first tutorial. This is the continuation of it. So what we have are the two little homemade charms that I am putting on this. The upper part of the charm and the lower part of the charm. And now I'm going to show you how to put it all together using my chain jump rings. And I'm doing this on top of felt, so if you see flurry things, it's because of the felt. It's grabbing the felt. Alright, basically you determine the length of your charm that you're making. You decide what you want. What I'm going to do, this is probably going to be approximately 4 inches long, maybe a little bit shorter because I shortened it just a bit, but I think this particular one will probably be 4 inches simply because of all that I've got on it. And if you want it shorter, you just lessen your chain links. So that's all you got to do. And how you do that is you take, let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 links on this, and I'm going to open up one, and I'm going to attach mine because that's the amount of links I want. And if you shorten the main link, just make sure that you shorten the other links by 1 as well. Ever how many that you take off, take that many off of the other ones. One of them's going to have, I think, 4 links, and another one's going to only have 2. So you can only do so much as far as that goes. But you're going to make adjustments as however how you decide that you want to do it. Okay, I'm trying to find my tool here. Okay, here it is. I'm going to take this and open this. You find the little part, which is right there, and that's where I have to open it. So I'm going to twist one way like that and the other way back toward me. And you have to, oops, I didn't do it right. And you have to, like that, open it up enough that you'll be able to fit your charms and things on. What I'm going to do is, in this one, I'm going to go ahead and add, oops, wrong one. As you can see on this, I have a smaller loop here and a larger loop down here. It's slightly larger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my larger loop. I'm hooking that to my larger loop. I'm sorry. No, I'm not. Or yes, I am. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. That is the way I'm supposed to do it. Okay. So, I'm going to close it now. So basically I just take it and grip it right at the edge there. And I twist it back until they meet. Okay. Make sure they're good and snug. Alright. Now, you have this. So then you get you another jump ring. Another one. Okay. And I'm going to add the bottom part. Just like so. Then I will take this, the end of this chain, and I'm going to add that one as well. Then I take my, supposed to be other soft jaw pliers, but I've got a crimper instead because I only have one pair of soft jaw pliers. Okay. I'm not getting hold of it. Hold on just a second. My mess is slipping around for some reason. Okay. Here we go. And I just take it and just bend it back until it meets flush, just like so. Hopefully you can see that. Alright, then you have that. Now, the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take another jump ring. There's no particular order that you need to do this in. It's just whatever works for you as far as when you're putting it together. I usually try to, if I'm going to have to open up a jump ring more than one time, I try to just put everything that goes on that jump ring on at that same particular time, and I have my stuff laid out before I actually start putting it together. So then, just like this, for example, I got to put this on. Now I am going to put my heart clasp on with it, because this is what you're going to use to connect to hang whatever you're going to put it on from. Okay, let me grab my crimper pliers again. And then basically you just do the same thing with this and just twist it until it's flush. So you go, alright, until it meets and it is flush. I can't see that. Okay, yeah, I think that worked. Alright, then you have all of your pieces connected. Now, I don't know if I've told you in the video that you're going to see before this one, but I bought this chain just like this, and you have to understand, I have made several of these trying to get it all fit on one video, so I had like a bunch laid out. So here we go. This chain it's made out, it's jump rings, but it's chain, and chain has got a little bit of a twist to it, so this is not like a solid round piece of jump ring wire. Okay, so that's why I'm using this. I like it to have a little more flair to it. And now what we're going to do is, I have another, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 on this one, and what goes on this one is my pearls I'm going to add to this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this jump ring up, if I can get hold of it. Okay, I'm going to twist it open, put my pearls on. Now see, originally this jump ring would have already been open, and I would have only done it one time, but because I did prep work before this video so that I could have my things laid out, and you didn't have to see every single thing that I did that wasn't necessary. I just closed it because it would have fell off and I would have lost it. Oops. Now I'm going to the other end, and I'm going to open up the other end, if I can get hold of it. Let me turn my pliers. These things are wore out. I need to replace my nylon covers on these. Okay, so let me grab it there, and then we're going to open it. Okay, just enough that I can add it to this part up here. And where I'm putting it through that loop I made on the end of the top part. Okay, so now closing that back up, just like that. Okay, and now I'm going to add one more. What happened to my chain? This one will have 2, or at least it's supposed to. It has disappeared on me. And all of my it was here, I promise. Okay, so let me